Hello everyone, today we will be looking at differentiating instruction. Now, differentiating instruction is actually teaching the same material to all students using multiple instructional strategies to meet the needs of all the students. For example, you would use instructional strategies such as task cards, journaling, interviews, and so on. Another definition is differentiating instruction is where a teacher might have to teach lessons at different stages of difficulty depending on the ability of each student. For example, you are teaching addition to grade 2 students. Depending on students' level, some students might use counters to draw pictures to add one-digit numbers. Another group of students might be able to add two-digit numbers, while the next group might be able to add 3 digits. And another group, they might be able to manage word problems, additions. Differentiation instruction is a teacher responding to each student's needs, which is guided by general principles of differentiation, which are respectful tasks, flexible grouping, ongoing assessment, and adjustment. What can teachers differentiate? Teachers can differentiate content, and the content is what the student will learn. Teachers, you can differentiate process, how students learn, students' learning style. Teachers, you can differentiate product, what the students create at the end of the lesson to show that they understand the content. Teachers, you can differentiate the learning environment, a flexible layout where arrangements are available to support individual and group work. It should be a safe and supportive learning environment according to the student's readiness, interest, and learning profile. Teachers can differentiate through a range of instructional and management strategies. Differentiation can be hard for teachers because the class sizes are very big. 25 students or more to one teacher, it can be very hard. And so, differentiation for many teachers is a struggle, but it is needed because remember teachers, one cap does not fit all. Another thing I notice is that we differentiate our activities in the classroom, but we go back to standardized tests. So in my opinion, I think maybe they should forget about standardized tests, or they can differentiate tests how they're given to our students. The resources are available here. These are my resources. Please remember to try and see if you can differentiate in the classroom. Thank you very much, teachers. And please remember to subscribe and write a comment below if you're using differentiation, how hard it is, what do you do. Share your comments below. Thank you.